You think a job creates wealth, but real wealth follows smart money strategy decision. Most people trade time for money daily, but their income stops when they stop working. This creates a hidden trap where your income depends completely on your physical presence. But strategy flips everything by making money work for you instead of you working for money. The real difference is not how much you earn, but how intelligently you use it. Without strategy, income leaks through expenses, debt, and poor financial decisions every month. Smart people build systems where money flows in from multiple sources, even while sleeping. So the goal is not just earning money, but designing a system that multiplies it. Let's break it down, because most people confuse income with wealth, and that mistake costs years. Income is what you earn actively, but wealth is what keeps growing without constant effort. If you stop working today, your income stops, but a strong system keeps producing cash flow. This is where assets come in, things that generate money instead of taking it away. Most people accidentally buy liabilities that look like assets, but slowly drain their money. A car, expensive phone, or lifestyle upgrade often creates ongoing expenses, not income streams. Smart strategy focuses on acquiring assets first, then upgrading lifestyle after income becomes stable. This simple shift in thinking separates people who stay stuck from those who build long-term wealth. Now let's understand how the rich actually think differently when it comes to money decisions. Average people ask what they can afford, but smart people ask what can generate returns. Instead of buying things, they buy systems that create income repeatedly over time. They understand that money should be used as a tool to create more money consistently. This mindset shift allows them to escape the cycle of earning, spending, and starting over. Once you break this loop, your money starts compounding and growing faster every year. Compounding works like a snowball. Small amounts grow into large wealth over time, but it only works if you start early and stay consistent with your financial strategy. Now let's look at a simple real-life example that shows how strategy beats hard work alone. Person 1 works harder every year, increases income, but spends more as lifestyle expands. Person 2 earns less initially, but invests consistently into assets that generate returns. After a few years, Person 2's income grows automatically, while Person 1 still trades time. This is the power of strategy. It creates leverage, so your effort multiplies over time. Leverage means using systems, investments, or tools to increase results without equal effort. Without leverage, your income is limited by time, energy, and physical capacity every day. With leverage, one smart move can create continuous returns without repeating the same effort. Now let's talk about the biggest mistake people make when they finally start earning more money. They upgrade their lifestyle instead of upgrading their financial system, which slows wealth growth. This creates a cycle where income increases, but savings and investments stay the same. The result is working harder every year without actually moving closer to financial freedom. A smart strategy always prioritizes investing a portion of income before spending anything else. This habit slowly builds a powerful financial base that grows stronger with consistency. Even small amounts invested regularly can create massive wealth over long periods of time. Consistency beats intensity because steady action allows compounding to do the heavy lifting. Now let's simplify your strategy into clear steps so you can start building wealth today. Step 1 is control your expenses, because saving money is the foundation of investing. Step 2 is invest consistently into assets that generate long-term income and growth. Step 3 is reinvest your profits instead of spending them so compounding accelerates faster. Step 4 is build multiple income streams so you are never dependent on one source. Step 5 is protect your money by avoiding bad debt and unnecessary financial risks. When you combine these steps, you create a system that works for you every single day. And that system is what ultimately replaces the need to depend only on a job. At this point, you might be thinking this sounds simple, but starting feels confusing and overwhelming. That's normal because schools never teach money strategy. They only prepare you to work jobs. So you must take control and start learning how money really works in the real world. Start small. Even a simple plan is better than doing nothing and staying stuck. Focus on progress, not perfection, because consistency builds real financial momentum over time. Your future wealth depends on decisions you make today, not just how hard you work. If you apply this strategy, you can slowly build freedom, security, and control over your life. Remember, it is not about quitting your job, but about building something that gives you options. The real goal is freedom, where your time is yours and money flows without constant effort. And that freedom starts the moment you decide to control your money instead of chasing it. One smart decision today can completely change your financial future over the next few years. So stop thinking like a worker and start thinking like a strategist who builds systems. Because the moment you understand this, your entire relationship with money begins to change. You stop chasing income and start building systems that generate income automatically for you. Now, if this changed your thinking, imagine what consistent action can do for your future wealth. Like, share, and subscribe now, and start building your money strategy from today.